One thing that a gym trainer is never going to tell you, or probably is not even aware of, is when you want to build muscle, when you start hitting the gym for the first time in your life as an adult and you want to go into bodybuilding, and basically the idea of becoming a healthy person, is that you cannot start with weight training directly. You cannot just start taking dumbbells and start pumping iron. That's not the way to do it. You're first supposed to build your core. If you don't build your core and directly go into weightlifting and weight training for the upper limbs and the lower limbs, most likely chance they're going to develop a hernia somewhere in your abdomen. All right. Most common as far as men are concerned are groin hernias or abdominal wall hernias. All right. So in order to not land up with a hernia, especially when you're just embarking on your journey for bodybuilding or weight training in the gym, always remember, get into core strengthening first. Build your abdominal wall core and then get into weightlifting. This is your bariatric and GI surgeon, Dr. Jaydeep Palep from Mumbai.